I'm basically using. It's a full sheet shipping labels from Avery. There's the part number, 7665. It works great. These are all clear stickers that I'm going to be putting on the motorized camper. These are going to be on the top, and then all the rest are going to be bumper stickers all over the back. Some on the side and maybe some in the front. Just to show you, these labels are clear labels. So when you put them on your truck, they are clear. They're not cut, so you do have to cut your labels to the size that you want to actually put them. There we go. I've done it. I've put stickers in the back of the camper. I think it looks pretty good. So these are the Avery stickers again. Just show you the package. Comes in 10 sheets, so I've used 4. I still got lots of leftover. I printed a whole bunch just to see what I would use. I might put some on the side or on the front or whatever. So that's on the camper. So cheap way to do stickers. And I've used a laser printer to actually print them. So it actually looks good.